For today's recipes, I'm doing something special. This is not a sponsored video, but I did have some friends over at this company called Marnamaria. You can see that. Send me over a sample seasoning. This one is Greek seasoning, is what we'll be using today in this recipe. It is basil, oregano, cinnamon, black pepper, parsley, rosemary, dill, marjoram, thyme, nutmeg, garlic, sea salt, and other spices and herbs, it says. This is a 2.33 ounce sample pack they sent me here. I think these ones are available to purchase on their website. I'll be putting a link down below in the description with a link to the website plus a discount code that's good until December 31st of 2020 that you can use to get, I think it's 15% off or 10% off of your order from their website. They used to have these subscription bags that you can, or boxes you can get, that every month they'd send you a seasoning. I forget how much was in it, and I used to get that all the time, and that's where I first learned about some of the great seasonings they have. Today I'm using the Greek seasoning. I also have this that I use a lot. That's why I bought a big bag. This is the biggest bag you can get. It's 4 cups. This is Aloha smoked spice. Don't mind some of the stains on there. I've used it a lot and it's got stuff splashed on it. But it says a smoky, salt, and chili blend with the awaken your taste buds. It has a bunch of different flavors in it. It has like, I can't say right, kiwi, smoked sea salt, red aliyah salt, black Hawaiian salt, chili powder, and other spices and herbs. It smells fantastic. The first time I got this in a sample box, or in a monthly subscription box, I love the smell of it, so I started adding it to everything. And then I actually bought a small jar you can buy from the website that has it. I think it's like a cup. Maybe it's half a cup in the jar. And then I ran all of that, so, and I didn't get it for a while, but finally I invested in this big old 4-cup bag because I use this stuff all the time. I won't be using this today in the recipe, but I use it a lot for everything else. Like I said, in the description below will be a discount code and a link to go to their website if you want to order some stuff. Take a look around. They have a bunch of different spices. They have recipes you can look up and everything. But today's really simple recipe is potato wedges with Greek seasoning. It's nothing fancy. Like, this could be used on like chicken and fish and pork and whatever else you want to use it on. But I'm just using it on potato wedges to show you a simple way to use it that won't involve you having to go on do some major preparations. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, first you're going to start with cutting your potatoes into wedges. It doesn't matter how many potatoes you use, it's up to how much you want to make. This was made from 3 potatoes, normal sized potatoes. Then you can go ahead and get some olive oil, and then you go ahead and sprinkle some. I might use more than necessary. Sprinkle some on the potatoes. I'm going to rub them in with my hand too so I don't waste any of this. You can go ahead and rub them all up, get them all coated in that olive oil. All covered up. You'll keep doing that. Once you get them all coated, you'll move on to the next step, which I will get to shortly. Alright, for the next step, you're going to get 1 tablespoon lemon zest. Or sorry, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, my apologies. 1 tablespoon Greek seasoning. And then as much salt and pepper as you want. It's all up to you on that one. I like some saltiness. I'm just going to mix it up. You can go ahead and you're going to coat the wedges in that. Let's make sure I spare it all out here. Obviously, you're going to have to adjust the amount of stuff you use depending on how many potatoes you have. Make sure I cover all this. Alright, after you get it all covered up in that stuff, you're going to go ahead and pop it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until you can easily poke right through the potatoes with a fork. Alright, and after you get it out of the oven, you can go ahead and plate it up. You can serve it with some like Parmesan or some feta. I didn't think I had any feta in my fridge, but apparently I did for my last time I cooked something. Also good with some mint on it. I didn't have any mint though. But either way, once you eat it, you can eat it and enjoy it with your favorite meal. And there you have it. That was a really simple recipe. It takes minutes to do. The longest part is wait for it to cook, but it tastes fantastic. You could also sprinkle some feta cheese on top to help give it a little extra flavor, and some mint is highly recommended. I just don't have any mint in my house to add to it. But you can also mix around different stuff, and you can try this seasoning on all kinds of crazy stuff. Make your own little recipe up, or just try it on your favorite recipe to see if it adds any extra flavor to it. If you do check out the website, I highly recommend not to get this big of a bag, but get this Aloha smoked spice. It's so good. Like I put it on stuff I barbecue. I put it on stuff I cook. I put it on everything. The smell itself will make your mouth water. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and down below and hit that little subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and don't forget to hit that little bell button so you know when I make more videos. If you have used this spice, spice company, or any other spice company that you'd recommend, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below, and maybe I'll go check them out. Maybe I can find some good deals with them too. But anyway, thanks for watching, and see you around.